Of the Great Wall that millions of people visit today was built during this time. Let's discover how the Ming Dynasty created the famous Great Wall we know today. Warsan, a new beginning. The Ming Dynasty began in 1368 after the Yuan dynasty came to an end. The new emperors wanted to strengthen China and protect it from future attacks. They knew that the northern border was still vulnerable. Instead of relying only on armies, they invested in stronger defenses. One of their greatest projects was rebuilding and expanding the Great Wall. Why the Ming Wall was different. Earlier walls were often made from packed earth, wood, and local stones. The Ming Dynasty used much stronger materials. Builders used bricks, cut stone, and high-quality mortar. These materials made the wall more durable and better able to survive rain, snow, wind, and earthquakes. That is why many Ming sections still stand today after more than 600 years. Building across mountains. The Ming builders did not choose the easiest routes. Instead, they followed mountain ridges because they offered natural protection. Building on steep mountains was extremely difficult. Workers carried heavy bricks and stones uphill by hand or animals. Some materials had to be transported over long distances. Even today, visitors are surprised by how steep many sections of the wall are. Watchtowers and Fortresses. The Ming Great Wall included thousands of watchtowers. These towers allowed soldiers to observe the surrounding land. Fortresses protected important mountain passes and roads. Inside these military bases, soldiers stored food, weapons, and supplies. Smoke and fire signals continued to help communicate quickly across long distances. The Ming Dynasty created one of the most advanced defensive systems of its time. Famous passes. Several important gates were built into the Great Wall. One of the most famous is Badaling, near modern-day Beijing. Another important pass is Shanhaiguan, where the Great Wall meets the sea. Jiayuguan in western China marked the western end of the Ming Wall. These passes became important military and trading centers. Today, they are among the most visited historical sites in China. Life during construction. Building the Ming Wall required enormous effort. Thousands of soldiers, craftsmen, engineers, and laborers worked together. Construction continued for many years. Workers built walls, repaired old sections, and strengthened mountain passes. Although the work was difficult, their efforts created one of the world's greatest engineering achievements. The Great Wall today. Most of the famous photographs of the Great Wall show Ming Dynasty sections. Their strong brick walls, high towers, and beautiful mountain landscapes attract millions of visitors every year. These sections are among the best preserved parts of the wall. They remind us of the skill and determination of the people who built them. Looking ahead. The Great Wall is famous around the world, but many stories about it are not true. Can you really see the Great Wall from space? How long is it exactly? What are the biggest myths about the wall? In Part 7, we will